Markets across the world are collapsing. Crypto is bleeding. XRP is down 16%. Bitcoin is under $5,000. Ethereum below 1,500. And while the Chinese stock market's historic drop made headlines this morning, it's just the beginning. A global domino effect is now in motion. The Taiwan Stock Exchange had to hit the emergency breaker. Trading was halted. Hong Kong plummeted 13.6%. Japan nearly 10%. European markets followed with brutal losses. Italy down 8.4%. Spain over 6%. Germany, France, Sweden, Switzerland, all deep in the red. This isn't just a rough Monday. It's the largest synchronized collapse we've seen in years. In crypto, $1.35 billion were liquidated in the last 24 hours. XRP dropped to 1.62 before bouncing slightly. But the relative strength index is dangerously low. We're nearing oversold territory. It could bounce, or it could break lower. Either way, volatility is extreme. What's fueling this chaos? A mix of economic pressure and political strategy. Donald Trump refuses to reach trade deals with China unless the U.S. trade deficit is resolved. That decision triggered panic in Asian markets, and now it's spreading. The U.S. is using tariffs to push global players to the negotiation table. Over 50 countries have already contacted Washington. Trump's game is clear. Apply pressure, trigger economic instability, then make a deal on American terms. Back in crypto, whales continue to move millions in XRP. Just yesterday, over 5 million XRP were sent from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp. Another signal of potential liquidation. But behind every panic, there's always a pattern. Every wave of fear has a purpose. Tomorrow, April 8th, marks a critical deadline. All U.S. federal agencies must report their crypto holdings to Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. This could reveal which coins the government is truly accumulating. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. But the key question is whether XRP is on that list. If it is, that's a game changer. It means XRP is no longer a speculative asset. It's an institutional choice, one that the U.S. government itself might be backing. And that would explain a lot of what's been happening in the shadows. Stay alert. Stay informed. And if you want to keep seeing the pieces of this puzzle come together, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.